My name is Zornitsa Lachezarova, and I am assistant professor of English at Sofia University, St. Kliment, Ohridski in Bulgaria. I've had this job for 14 years now, and it's given me the chance to participate in many international conferences and publish my academic work. I think I have about 16 or 17 publications so far. And I'm also a PhD student in my final year at Dublin City University in Ireland. I think that's like a short summary of my personal information.
Okay.
What motivated me was the desire to adapt to the circumstances now with COVID and everything that's happening. So I wanted to adapt to the circumstances in the world and to keep meeting and interacting with academics in an international setting. So I saw this as an opportunity to do that.
Okay.
Attending online conferences has many advantages because there is no requirement to travel, so which would be difficult at this time. Obviously, but I think it also gives the opportunity for academics from many different countries to meet and exchange ideas without the constraint of travel arrangements, which is not only because of COVID, but in general. So I think it's very convenient. I will definitely encourage my friends and colleagues to attend online conferences because I think it's a wonderful way to interact with the academic community.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for that.
I'd like to thank you and the organizers for the conference and for accepting my proposal. I really enjoyed the conference and I was very happy. I was also very happy with the email communication in relation to my queries, because I think it was very efficient and very fast, which is important for me. So thank you for that. This was wonderful. And I was also in the conference itself, I was very pleased with the team building activity. And I think it created a great atmosphere, a friendly atmosphere, which I think is important for such events. So thanks again for the wonderful conference.